What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to change your rear brakes on a Kia Optima. This is a 2013 Kia, so I know everybody know how to take a tire off. But to change the rear brakes, right, so some people probably on the front brake you can just use a compressor to press it back, but this one is quite different how to press it back. So I'm going to show you guys on how to do this. Something you're interested in? Come on, let's go. Guys, this is the reason why I'm changing my brake. You can see this one right here, it's actually gone completely. You can see what it's doing to my rotor. So why the brake itself, it's actually all the way, you see the brake is done. You see the brake is done. That's why actually I'm changing the rear brake. So now it's just scratching, making damage on the rotor. So why the other one,
you can go to Firestone.
okay,
They can fix your brakes.
why the other one, so I mean they didn't wear down even, so I don't know why this one just in this way. So that's why I'm changing the brake. So guys, I'm going to show you guys on how to push this back. 5mm. So once you take that one out, there's another bolt. When you take this out, there's another bolt in there that you have to like turn anti-clockwise so that you'll be able to compress this down. So guys, just follow me. So guys, when you take out the electric brake, so there's another pin in here that you need to turn clockwise like that. So once you get to a stop, once you keep turning, you see, once you get to a stop, then you'll be able to back the brake caliper back. So other than that, there's no way you can do it. Just keep doing it. To come to a stop, then you'll be able to, you see, I'm getting to a stop right now. So after that, you'll be able to use your C-clamp to push this back. You see, if you don't back that out, so guys, see, when I'm turning it, I got to a stop. I couldn't go no more, right? So that's when, guys, as you can see, I just have two hands, so hopefully you guys can see it when I do it. You can see the thing is going back when I do it. See, it's moving back. It's moving back, guys.